Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send Revolut money to a bank account in the UK. The first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and launch up your Revolut app, come at the bottom, hit transact, and you'll find all your previous transactions. Just come to the top right, click on a new, and from here, if you are in the UK, just choose bank recipient, or if you want to send it to the UK or not in the UK, click here, send international, okay? Or you can click here as well, just go ahead and add the account details, whether it's an individual account or a business account. Choose the country of the recipient's bank. So make sure you choose UK, choose the currency, whether you're sending it in euros or Great British pounds or any other currency. Enter their IBAN number, okay? The first and middle names, basically all the information. Proceed further. And once you have added them, you can go ahead and find them in your transfer section. Go ahead and tap on them, and then just come here, click on send, and we'll send a new transfer, right? Just go ahead and enter the amount. You'll see how much fees you'll have to pay, and then go ahead and hit continue and proceed further. Really that easy. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.